This is actually a ObjectWorks 4.2 or 4.1 image, which is technically identical to VisualWorks 1.0. So that's why we have to start it a little bit differently with a bad file, and I had to put the I know what happened. I have to set the, okay, let's do it that way. We have to do the screen resolution to be 16 bits only. And this is...
Clock's still running.
The resolution.
I'd help you, but I don't know.
He's talking about Da geht's noch weiter.
Erst. Okay. Color. This has to be 16-bit color. When I switched on the, I tried it before and then it worked, but switching on the other stuff. But okay, you go through how difficult it is to show old software. Okay, we want to keep it, and then I can try to start it again. So let's start this script again, and you will be blushed away how fast it is.
Oh my
So the
God.
first thing, because all of that is historical, it's not only blinding fast, you have to log in, so the security is still there.
Yeah.
So, and the password is system. We could also do demo. These are the two things to get in. And you can see that, oh, it's a 1993 version, and it still gives the copyright by Xerox as it was in the old days. So now we log in as super user, we get a system transcript here. This is the VisualWorks 1.0 or Object Studio thing. We can go to Smalltalk, and there we will find all the information or the source code, and we can go to info centers. And in info centers, that is the basic strategic thing they were having. They were organizing information, and then we can open the original info center for the demos, and it starts with the welcome thing. And you probably have never seen it so fast.
I don't remember. 25 years ago probably is the last time I saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember.
In here, this is how it is, and in those days, this is a document with links to it. So we go from here, and we can do storing organization, and manipulating data, and retrieving data, and if we go to manipulating data, there's an image manipulator, and the famous aquarium form.
Oh, the aquarium.
And there you can click on, okay, we do a colored fish.
Yeah.
And we say, copy the image to below. We need to say,
Oh, you closed
that,
it. You closed
I need my mouse, because I need the middle button, and this spreadsheet doesn't have
You
one.
want to borrow my mouse?
No, I have a mouse.
Okay.
So, but I can let this thing swim.
Yeah.
And what you can do,
That's
you
a lot
can-
faster.
It's
That's
much
fast.
faster than it used to be.
That's
And
fast.
what you can do, you can have this fish in a document, and as long, but when you print it, it will stop swimming.
Yeah.
So that's one interesting thing. You have to stop moving first. Okay,
Yeah, that's probably faster than Dorado.
Then the other thing is the famous spreadsheet. This is prior to the time people were having things like spreadsheets. And look at
the
this spreadsheet.
unicorn, yes.
It has the unicorn.
Ah,
Over here it is, and down here you can see
mirror.
the value.
magnify,
Click in here,
rotate.
see, no, there's no rule. There is a unicorn in something, so it is a copy of a unicorn picture object, and this is what the object is. And over here there is a rule associated to it, which there's take that object and make it available. That's a rather complicated rule. Sometimes we have this in Excel also, that there are complicated rules. And in here, you have something like, take the other cell, and unlike, like in Excel, it's R0 C minus 1. So R0 is the same row, and C minus 1 is one column to the left. And you have those curly brackets around, and you say deep copy reflect in X. So you can use any smalltalk object that understands display on to display it. And you can use any smalltalk expression to manipulate it.
That's better than Excel.
It's better than Excel, yes it is.
That's why Alan Kay liked it so much.
So, and this is now a more complicated thing. It's a many-fly by. Many-fly by is still today in class image. So you still can do that. I used it for another project just the other week, and then this is another one, rotate by 90 degrees. So that's one of those. Yes, I really want to close it. And then you have database access. Actually, that's one of the restrictions the public version had. It has an in-memory fake database, while the customer, and its name was mentioned today, in Evelyn's talk, used the real database for the data behind. And you have the field names and all that. What else do we have? And the more interesting thing was we can have a look at the forms. There are forms there, maybe someone, or graphics, yeah, maps.
Maps are good.
So, but my time is over, so you can see that this is working.
So what are you going to put it up on the screen now?